Assalamualaikum semua. Hari ni kita orang dah sampai ke next destination yang kita orang nak pergi, iaitu anda boleh tengok sendirilah kat belakang. Tu Mount Fuji. Ya, kasih zoom sedikit. Menguatkan kaki. Hari-hari kaki kuat. Hari ni kita tengok berapa kilometer kita boleh capai. Dah 2 hari dekat 13 kilometer.
13 km.
Hari ni mungkin lagi banyak kot.
How did you guys know we were scared? Was it obvious we were scared?
Yeah.
It's kind of ridiculous. Thank you.